Welcome to our channel Farmer Geeks. Today we are going to tell you about drone technology in agriculture. The use of drones in almost every sector of the economy is growing fast, but drone usage in agriculture industry is booming. According to some reports, the agricultural drone market is expected to grow by $1.2 billion USD industry in 2019 to $4.8 billion in 2024. From scouting to security, drone use will become more ubiquitous on large and small scale farmers in a few short years. The information gathered by drones on farms is often used to better information agronomic decisions and is part of a system generally referred to as precision agriculture. In many areas, drone use has become an essential part of large-scale precision farming operations already. The data collected from drones recording fields helps farmers plan their planting and treatments to achieve the best possible yields. Some reports indicates that using precision farming system can increase yield by as much as 5%, which is sizable increase in industry with typically slim profit margins. We will take a look at some of the areas where drones technologies are already being used on farms, some new agricultural drone technologies being explored, and we will touch some of the steps and challenges to adopting widespread drone use in agriculture. Scouting or monitoring plant health. One of the use for drone imagery that has already been rolled out with great success is for monitoring plant health. Drones equipped with special imaging equipment called Normalized Defense Vegetation Index, that is NDVI, use detailed color information to indicate plant health. This allows farmers to monitor crops as they grow, so any problems can be dealt with fast enough to save the plant. This image illustrates simply how NDVI works. Drones using regular cameras are also used to monitor crop health. Many farmers already use satellite imagery to monitor crop growth, density and colorization, but accessing satellite data is costly and not as effective in many cases as closer drone imaging. Because drones fly close to the field, cloud cover and poor conditions matter less than when using satellite imaging. Satellite imaging may offer to the meter accuracy, but drone imaging is capable for producing accurate image location to the millimeters. This means that after planting, areas with stand gaps can be spotted and replanted as needed, and diseases or pest problems can be detected and treated for right away. Monitoring field conditions. Drone field monitoring is also being used to monitor the health of soil and field conditions. Drones can provide accurate field mapping, including elevation informations that allow growers to find any irregularities in the field. Having information on field elevations is useful in determining drainage patterns and wet dry spots, which allow for more efficient watering techniques. Some agricultural drones retailers and service providers also offer nitrogen level monitoring in soil using enhanced sensors. This allows to precise applications of fertilizers, eliminating poor growing spots and improving soil health for years to come. Planting and seeding. One of the newer and less widespread use of drones in agriculture is for planting seeds. Automated drone seeders are mostly being used in forestry industries right now, but the potential for more widespread use is on horizon. Planting with drones means very hard to reach areas can be replanted without endangering workers. They may also able to plant much more efficiently with a team of 2 operators and 10 drones capable of planting 4 lakh trees a day. Security. Drone security is fast growing industry apart from agriculture, but is also extremely useful for farmers management. Using drones to monitor the far reaches of a farm without having to get there saves valuable time and allows for more frequent monitoring of hard to reach areas. Drones cameras can provide an overview of farmer operations throughout the day to ensure operations are running smoothly and to locate equipments being used. Security drones can be deployed to monitor fencing and perimeters of more valuable crops like cannabis instead of employing more security personnel. Drone cameras are also being used in exciting ways to protect farm animals by locating missing or injured herd animals in far off grazing areas. Monitoring remote areas which used to take hours of walking can now be completed in few minutes.